Hi, it's Dr. Clark Pearson with Charm City Plastic Surgery. Today we're actually going to talk about hand rejuvenation. We all think so much about what treatments and skincare products to use on our face to help it stay looking fresh, but then oftentimes we forget that our hands are also getting sun exposure constantly. They're getting a lot of harsh chemicals from the environment. For me, from being a surgeon and scrubbing all the time, I'm giving a lot of wear and tear to the surfaces of my hands, and our hands can start to look aged and not as fresh as our faces. So today we're going to talk about some options for treating the surface of our hands to make it look fresh and more youthful and protect that skin. First and foremost is protection. And I really recommend this Color Science skincare. It's a sun-forgettable brush. It's a little brush. It's easy application. It's a powder-based sunscreen, and it goes on just like this. I keep it in my car because when we're driving, the sun's hitting the backs of our hands, creating sunspots and sun damage. And you just keep this little friend around, or if you're out on the boat, as summer is coming sooner than soon as possible, right? It's a wonderful product. Also, today we're going to demonstrate microneedling on the hands. Lori will talk a little more about this, but I'm going for my second treatment, and it's really going to help that skin on my hands rejuvenate and look a lot more plump. And finally, from a surgical perspective, I actually can do fat grafting to the surface of the hands. What this involves is a little bit of liposuction from your belly or hips or wherever. Everyone's got a little special spot where they can offer some fat. And then we re-inject it into the hands, and that creates some plumping in that area as well. That's sort of the last step for hand rejuvenation. But let's roll it back and do a little microneedling here. Okay. This is Lori. You may be familiar with her from previous episodes. I've been numbing my hands for about 15 minutes with numbing cream, and then I'll let you take over, my dear.
Okay, so what we're going to use on Dr. Clark Pearson's hands is just some pure hyaluronic acid serum. We're going to rub that in, and the microneedling is going to push that deeper into the dermis to get a little collagen response, get her hands to plump up, fill in where it's becomes a little looser as we age, and also the little bit of freckling will even out. So everybody has brown spots as they age that they're dying to get rid of, and this is a great way to do it without chemicals and risk of burning or those kind of things. So this is sterile needles in here that are just going to drive that hyaluronic acid in and rejuvenate her hands. It's painless. It just feels like a little vibrating massage. I did my hands a week ago for the second time, and I'm here to tell you they look quite younger. I'm so happy about it. Before this, I really didn't do a lot to my hands, but the difference this has made is just incredible. So she can expect her hands to be a little pink today, feel like a little sunburn. She'll continue to put some hyaluronic acid serum on, and then by tomorrow they'll be just plump and firm and smooth. We recommend 3 of these done a month apart for the best results, and we can turn the clock back a little bit on our hands that way by doing 3 of these in a row.
And truly, it's absolutely painless. It takes about 15 minutes after the numbing is complete for your hands to be done. I love it. It's a great option, and you can use the Sun-Forgettable pigment sunscreen on afterwards because it is a pigment-based product. So call if you have any questions. Thank you.
Thank you.